There's no wind in here.
Protect.
If you're here with us, you came inside, you gotta close that door. Why is she here? That girl is Apple. Oh!
Opposite of the breeze.
Oh!
Religious.
Oh!
Pathetic daw.
What is it? Pathetic. It's like
Poor.
war. Oh! Pull dyan. Pull. Oh, I give you 10 more seconds. If you can just touch. I don't.
Nagustuhan niya
Last
yun.
chance, I'll give it 10 seconds.
Tol, ayun oh. Gumagalaw yung tubig.
Yeah, it's moving.
Tol, lumalakas yung alon. Ayun ano, ayun oh.
Okay, I'll put it here. You can climb up here. Wait. Is it?
Manifest.
Oh, you're manifesting. And the EMF.
Oh!
Oh, look at that. It's not stopping.
Oh!
Oh. Okay.
Strangers from dark.
Tumuli si LCF, Strangers from Dark. Narito tayo ngayon. Pinuntahan namin itong abandoned resort somewhere in Cavite. May mga kasama ako, mga Koreano na sila, Phantom Heart sa I Am Reverie. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Tol, dahil pinapunta mo ako dito. Mga ka-strangers, mamaya mag-investigate dito sa lugar na ito dahil may mga kwento dito ang caretaker sa mga nangyari at kung bakit ito na-abandon. So mamaya abangan ninyo kung ano yung mga makikita at mararamdaman at magiging resulta ng investigation dito.
Nandito na ako, pero ano ko lang ito dati, part-time.
Ayon nga sa kwento ni tatay, taong 2017, noong siya ay nagsimula dito bilang isang part-time.
Nagawa ko siyang part-time. Dumating ako dito, may mga kwento-kwento na maraming namatay dito. 2 bata, nagtatakbo sa gilid ng pool, nadulas, tapos hulog. Yung color ng tubig dati dito, ano siya, yung blur. Kasi sa dami ng nagsiswimming, yun, hindi nila napansin hanggang sa yung bata natapakan na doon sa ilalim. Swimming, di mawala yung inom-inom, mayroong nagkakarutan, nadudulas sa simento, nababagok sa simento.
Dito ay kinuwento rin ni tatay ang nangyari sa isa nilang kasama na muntik na rin kunin ng misteryosong swimming pool.
Madaling araw na. Meron daw tumawag sa kanya dyan sa pool. 2:00 madaling araw na. Lumusong siya. Kasi nga, may tumatawag daw sa kanya na isang lalaki. Muntik din siyang malunod. Buti ka mo, nakita namin siya na anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ba't mag-swimming ka alanganing oras na.
At sa kwentong ito ni tatay ay napaka-imposibleng isipin na ang isang swimmer na sumasali sa competition ay muntik na ring malunod sa misteryosong swimming pool na ito.
Parang daw may humihila sa ilalim ng tubig. Parang pumasok siya. Siya lang pero may mga kasama siya. Kasi practice nga kasali sa swimming competition. Tapos biglang nagkakawag siya. Siyempre nagtaka yung mga anong nangyari? May humihila sa pako, O yun, may malalim yan, mga 6 feet. Doon sa dulo. Siyempre, talunan sila dahil nakita nila talagang malulunod na
Sa kabuuang kwento at interview kay tatay, ayon sa kanya ay marami nang namatay sa swimming pool na ito ng resort.
Yun, bata. Marami. Kaya lang, siyempre, sanay na ako dito. Kahit na kahit araw, parang may napapansin ako na bigla na lang dumadaan na ganyan, napapalingon ako. Tumatayo pa nga ako dahil nakala ko, siyempre, baka ako may ibang tao, tumatayo pa ako na parang hinahabol ko siya. Pero wala naman eh. Madalas yon, mapaharaw man. Kasi araw dito ako, gabi wala ako dito.
It is believed that, spirits are like demonic presence are active when it's Friday the 13th, just because it's an unlucky number. So it's a perfect time for us to
Yeah, it's a good day for us.
It's a good day for us. Hello, good evening, spirits.
Una namin pinuntahan ang lugar na ito sapagkat ayon kay tatay, dito raw binawian ng buhay ang mag-asawang may-ari ng resort na ito.
The caretaker told me earlier. There was this other vloggers who went in here that tried opening that door over there. As soon as they were trying to open it, it opened by itself.
That door.
That door over there. One of these two actually. Oh, the other door is open. Come on, check it out. Maybe let's go. Open, it's kind of like this.
At nang binuksan ko ang pintuan na ito, ito ang aming mga
Nobody
nakita.
touching. Nobody touching. That's what they said. Am I right, Zaldi?
Yes.
What's that?
Hell.
Hell. Yes. Well, I think it's because it's Friday the 13th. Hell. So what's on this other room? Have you been here, Zaldi?
Not
Oh, look at this.
What's that? At dito nga, habang nililibot ko ang aking camera, may isang bagay dito ang pumukaw sa aming atensyon. There's a cross.
Oh yeah.
Oh, but it's broken, right?
Look at this. It's completely broken.
Right. Why? This is resort, right?
Yeah.
Not a house.
Yeah.
But why is this thing in here? Why?
Well, I think these are the things from the employees, maybe, that stayed in this resort. And this cross, I'm thinking, John.
Jump.
Jump.
Where?
Is it talking about jumping on the pool? Maybe. But this one right here, the cross, there's a reason that there's a cross in here. We just need to assess first before we conduct our investigation. So let's go down first. That one also, that's a priest. This door must be kept closed.
Padre Pio.
This is
Padre
yeah, that's Padre Pio.
Oh,
Who's Padre Pio, by the way? No, I
It's
mean,
like,
it's Catholic priest.
yeah.
maybe the owner is believing. No.
Yeah. Well, maybe the owner is a believer,
It's
but
being
then.
celebrated by God.
Dito rin daw namatay yung dalawang mag-asawa. Mayari.
Oh, really?
Sabi ni tatay kanina.
Oh, so the now Zali is saying that the caretaker told him before that both owners of this resort died in this building.
Yes.
And oh yeah.
Sabi.
Oh, so that's new. That's new. That's news to us.
Sabi ni tatay kanina. Yung nagkukwento kami dalawa.
Oh my. So I think they're very religious, and maybe we can find out if they're still here later.
Yeah, but the story tell us like the peoples are falling down to the swimming pool, right?
Yeah.
Stay with me.
So
Stay with me.
Stay with me. So you don't want us to go? You want us to stay here?
what if we check with the smallest items? And
Let's
he
check first.
Sa mga oras na ito, uumpisahan namin ang unang investigasyon na aming gagawin sa lugar na ito at kami maglalatag ng aming mga EMF na dala.
So we got 2 EMF right here. Okay, so Zali's also using an EMF right over there. And I want to put this EMF, this digital type, upstairs. This one first. So everyone in here, can you show us a sign that you are here with us? Is that you saying you wanted us to stay? Zach is over there also observing his EMF.
Okay.
Any activity? Not yet?
Not yet. Nagbe-blurred lang ah. Meron ba rito?
If there's anybody in here with us right now, please show us a sign that you are here. You can touch those equipments right in front of you. This is your chance to show us a sign that you are here with us. Can you make that beep?
I heard some wood sounds.
Dito ay nakakagulat ang sasabihin ng phone application at magtutugma ito sa pag-response ng aking EMF.
Okay, let's try.
Another room.
Huh?
Another room.
Another room.
Yes.
Another room. Are you talking about the other room from far away? He said far away, right?
Yeah.
Are you?
Ayun, tol. Nag-ano siya? Na-capture ko.
It blinked.
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. If you are here behind this door, can you please? Greetings.
Muling sumagot ang phone app ayon sa pakiusap ni Tol
I would
Lee.
like to formally introduce myself. My name is Reeve. My friend here, names is Zadi, and of course my brother right here is Rove, and also Apple is there at the back. We are not here to harm you. We just want some activity. Like what you did. Is that you? Can you touch one of these equipments? One more time?
Mga espiritong narito. Pwede kayong magparamdam. Pwede kayong umibo sa mga gadget namin. Sige lang.
You know what, Rove? I'm getting this.
At dito, habang si Rin ay nagsasabi kay Rogue tungkol sa nararamdaman niya dito sa kwarto na nasa harapan niya, ito ang sinabi ng phone
But then
application.
what about?
That's mine.
Oh,
What?
That's mine.
that's mine.
It's your room? This room? Are you talking about this room? Is this your room?
Oh,
Yun!
why is it bumping?
Na may EMF trigger.
3.
3 lights.
3?
Yes.
Only here. Why?
So are you downstairs?
Kanina, ha?
22.
Close.
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 You're
Oh, thank you. So, kanina pa ako tol talaga nakakaramdam to ng kilabot dito.
You're feeling something?
Yeah.
You feel something?
Well,
feel goosebumps.
you're recording it, right?
Yes. Bago pa lang mag-trigger ang aking EMF, nakakaramdam na ako sa lugar na ito ng kakaibang kilabot. At habang ini-edit ko ang video na ito ang aking napansin. Are you there? Isang orb ang mapapansin na lumabas, nagmula malapit sa EMF. Tignan niyong mabuti.
Look,
Kaya kung meron man dito ulit, inuulit ko,
that's the battery. Yeah, it was-
pwede kang magpatunog ng mga bagay na aming dala rito.
Why did you turn it off yourself? So now,
Maaari po ba?
oh, Zadi,
What?
your phone kept on turning off, right?
Yeah.
His phone kept on turning off.
At sa mga oras na ito, kukunin ko na ang EMF nang bigla na lamang may nangyari na aming ikinagulat. Oh,
Dali.
what?
Sa ikaw yun?
Hindi, andito ako.
Yung ano?
Yung tumunog?
Hindi, andito ako, kinuha ko to.
Ano yung tumunog?
Pinto.
Ano yung pinto?
Hindi ko alam. Baka to sa... Sinarado mo ba itong sa labas?
Yes.
Hindi. Dito nga, sa labas.
The wind, I think the wind.
The front door.
Look.
Ayan, ayan.
Look.
Ayan, bumubukas. Oh,
The bell rings.
Oh. Okay.
You're back?
Ayan.
You trying to open the door?
Oh.
Oh.
When we were not
Why is she here?
Huh?
She. Why is she here? That girl is Apple.
Oh! Boy.
What?
Oh!
Let's go.
Oh!
So bad I can't see it.
Salamat!
Thank you. Zaldi is right over here, there. And he's not being captured. Huh?
Where are we? In the resort.
We're inside your building. Did you come out or did you come in? You are captured by the motion sensor. We got you.
Dito, muli akong bumalik sa kusina para ilagay ang EMF. Subalit, bigla na lamang. Uy, bumukas!
Oh, let's see.
Maybe that's what she did.
Oh, wait a minute, what's that?
Oh,
I heard
Yeah.
a loud bang.
Yeah, bag inside here.
no.
Where's
No,
that?
no, the sound. Which one?
Oh. I'll just open it. Okay, let's just open it.
Dito, tuluyan ang binuksan ni Rob ang pintuan para malaman namin kung ano ang dahilan ng paggalaw ng pintuan na ito. Ang pinto sa gilid ay nakasarado, maging ang salamin na bintana ay nakasarado. Kaya sobrang init sa loob ng kwarto na ito. At imposibleng hangin ang nagpapabagsak sa pagsara ng pintuan dito.
Let's watch what happens.
Tingin ko mahina sila, tol.
Yeah.
Kailangan nila ng charge.
Are you with us?
Do you need more energy?
Sa mga oras na ito, inilabas ni Riv ang kanyang EM pump dahil nararamdaman ko na mahina ang mga espiritong narito kung kaya't para sila makapag-charge ng kanilang energy. At hindi nga nagtagal, mabilis na nakakuha ng energy ang mga spirits kung kaya't mabilis din silang nag-response sa pamamagitan ng motion sensor at ng EMF. Oh, nag-blur do.
Something?
Yeah, nag-trigger siya. Tapos nag-blur.
Okay, you know what? That equipment, that is your food. Now you have enough energy, I guess. Can you try touching one of our equipments even upstairs? Can you please do that? Or maybe try to...
Habang ipinapaliwanag ni Riv ang ibig sabihin ng pathetic, ay nagulat kami sa biglang pag-response ng aking EMF.
Oh!
Full cha... Full!
Oh! Hi! Yeah, we got it. Okay, so you are there? Are you there?
Ang kasabi ng pathetic, nagwala siya.
I'm close.
Oh, you're close. You're close.
Pwede mo bang ulitin yon ginawa mo? Gusto namin makita lahat. Kaibigan mo kami. Kung gusto mo mag-charge, pwede ulit doon. Nakapag-charge siya ito.
Yeah, kapag-charge.
Kaya binigay niya lahat doon eh.
Right now, I think we have nothing left to do here. We've tried to ask for anything for them to do something. We've got some things, but we need to explore and investigate the other parts of this building. We're just getting started. This is just the first building. Okay, so let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Dito naman kami ngayon sa labas. Oh,
Where's that? Is that you?
no. Oh, palaka.
No, it's not that. It's really big.
Masa na?
Ayun, tumalon dun. Yan, oh. Yan sa may bumula na yan.
근데 아까 인터뷰했을 때 여기 놀러 온 사람들이 여기 사진 찍어 당연히 각자 보는 현상이 왜 일어나는지 체크 좀 먼저 하면 되거든요.
This is another unit.
Meron pala dito.
Nagkagaling si Glenn. Diba, store.
Anybody here? Parang bulok to ah. Parang bulok.
Bulok. Ang ganda pa naman ng bahay-bahayan na to ah.
Tara na rin.
Bakit?
Tumundo.
Lumundo na?
Big ball.
Ikaw.
Diba? Fish. The story is sweet. What's that? What's that? Is it raining? Yeah, it's raining.
Iwanan ko muna sila dun. Dito tayo. Sayang tong resort na to. Pero pagkakasabi sa akin ng ni tatay, yung caretaker, nabili na raw tong resort na to. At iba na yung nagme-may-ari.
Around.
Pasukin ko ito. Ano ba to? Ay, gate.
Okay, hello. Can I just put it here? Are you there? Okay, you answer. If it's yes, you make it light up. Pailawin mo kung yes, kung oo. Ikaw ba ay namatay dito? Did you die in this place? Yes. Yes, you got that right? Yes? So, why are you still here? Is it okay that we are here? Is it okay that we are here? You just want to look for proof that you are here with us. Gusto po namin malaman, tulad ng tinanong ko kanina, kung may kasama po kami at nandito kayo sa aming harapan, maaari po ba kayong paramdam ulit hawakan ng equipment, ang gamit na nakikita ninyo. In English, if there's really something or someone here with us, right in front of us, can you please touch those equipments like what you did earlier? Make it light if it's a
Dito
yes.
inyong makikita ang
Pailawin mo lang
paggalaw
isang
ng
beses
isang
kung
pirasong dahon sa likod ng REM pod nang baguhin ni Riv ang kanyang katanungan. Sa paggalaw ng dahon na ito na kaya ang tinatawag nilang fair trap.
Iibahin ko ang tanong. Ikaw ba ay namatay sa lugar na ito?
At kung ito man ay hangin, hindi para isang dahon lang ang kanyang
Did you
salawin.
notice that plant move? Did you notice the plant move?
Which one?
The plant.
On the back?
Yeah, in the middle. Did you notice it move?
No, I didn't see it.
It moved.
Maybe in the camera it captured.
Yeah, it captured. I don't wanna.
Alam kong hindi lang masabi
Go
ni
near
Riv
it,
na
because
ito
I
ay
don't
isang
wanna,
fairy trap kung kaya't ito ang nangyari.
Oh. Okay. Okay, Rove. You ask what you wanna ask. I'll translate.
Are you the one who fell inside the water?
Ikaw ba yung?
Oh.
Yes. I keep on telling it to make it deep if it's a yes. If you're the one who died in this swimming pool, make it blink max. Color red. Can you make it up until the color red? Up to the color red? Kaya mo bang pailawin hanggang sa pula? Na pinakamalakas na kaya mo kung namatay ka talaga sa swimming pool na ito.
여기서 죽었으면
At dahil nga sa hamon na gawin ang pinakamalakas na kayang gawin,
next, right?
Yeah.
ito
max.
ang nangyari.
Okay. Oh! What the? Diba? Wow, thank you. Thank you. Okay, wait a minute. This is one very important question. Ito pinakamahalagang tanong. Kung gusto mo kaming huwag kayong gambalain, gusto nyo kaming umalis, if you guys just want us to leave right now, we want you, gusto namin na pailawin nyo, patunugin yung equipment na nasa harapan nyo. You've been doing that, ginagawa nyo na yan kanina pa. Pero, can you please do that one more time? We're just asking for proof of your existence. Kung nandito talaga kayo. Kasi marami nagsasabi na nakikita nila kayo dito. Oh yeah, you can use your snow.
Yeah.
Your snow app. Kaya niyo bang pailawin hanggang pula? Make it light to the max one more time. If you want us to leave, then we will leave. We respect you.
Sa mga sandaling ito, wala na kaming nakuwang kasagutan. Kung kaya't nag-set up ulit kami ng mga karagdagang equipments.
Okay, now it's calibrating. And Rob, I want to put this in there because this motion sensor is really close.
Pinagto lang.
Now, I have something in here, and I want you to play with it. I want you to touch this, if it's possible. Here, so this is. Oh, that's me. This one is pointed here. Okay.
Okay, on the back.
Yeah, in the back.
Night vision.
Yeah, let's do it night vision. Gusto mo ba ng madilim? Gusto mo ba kaming umalis? Gusto mo bang nandito lang kami? Kung gusto mo kaming umalis, pailawin mo naman kahit alin dyan. Or patunugin mo. Pwede ba yun? Pwede mo ba kami pagbigyan?
Fell.
Fell. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's making sense. So, you fell. You fell into the pool. Nalaglag ka ba sa pool dito sa swimming pool na ito? Or, kaya mo bang gumawa ng ingay sa pool? Kaya mo bang gumawa ng tunog? Ng splashing sound? Can you please do that?
Sa mga sinabi ni Riv dito, makikita ninyo mamaya ang kasagutan sa swimming pool.
Kasama ka pa ba namin sa mga oras na ito? Pailawin mo. If you're still here with us, right in front of us, please touch one of those equipment. Please touch one of those. We can do that.
Tol, sa palagay ko, kailangan i-demo to sa spirits para alam nila paano.
Sige. Okay, okay.
Me or you?
Now, before we do that, I wanna try this.
2,
Kung kasama ka namin, gusto ko lang ipakita sa iyo paano gagana. Nakita mo yan? Pag dumaan ka, tutunog yan. Pag ginawakan mo to, tutunog. Kaya mo bang gawin yan? Can you please do that? Can you? Okay. Now, nakita mo kung paano gawin, kung paano gamitin. Can you please do that? Pwede mo bang gayahin yun? Lapit ka lang dyan. Tutunog sila para silang mga laruan sa harapan mo.
I'm ready.
Last chance before we try to communicate with you. We give you 10 more seconds. If you can just touch.
Oo. Tinatch.
I told.
Nagustuhan niya
Last
yun.
chance, I'll give it 10 seconds. And you know, what's the good thing about it? Okay.
At
Right
dito
over
na
there.
nga,
On the-
nagulat
yeah,
kaming
on the-
lahat nang ang swimming pool ay biglang
Dito.
umalon. Tol, ayun oh. Gumagalaw yung tubig.
Yeah, it's still moving.
Ang lakas oh.
Oh, it's moving. The water is coming towards us.
형, 물살이
It's coming
여러분들
towards us.
저희 쪽으로 오고 있거든요.
Is that you?
Are you here?
Please come to us. Oh, let's set this on. Please come to us. That's right. You're doing great.
Tol, lumalakas yung alon. Ay, yung ano, ayun oh.
Okay, I'll put it here. You can climb up here. Wait,
manifest,
is it?
Manifest.
Oh, you're manifesting. What does it mean? It's manifesting. It's showing up.
Ang lakas ang ano ng alon dito ng tubig. Ang lakas oh.
There's movement on the water coming towards us. Now, if you're coming towards us, can you please climb up in here?
At pagkatapos nga nito, napagkasunduan namin na gawin ang Estes method.
Okay.
Impossible.
Impossible. Anong ibig na sabihin ng impossible? Are we talking to that kid who drowned in this swimming pool? You let us know. If it's you, can you please tell Rob your name? Do you have a name?
Mom.
Impossible to climb.
Mom?
Yes.
Mom, are you missing your mom? Are you missing your mom? Are you looking for your mom? If you're looking for your mom, can you please tell us a name? What is your name? You want to know your
Yes.
If it's a yes, please tell us your name. Are you a boy or are you a girl? Lalaki ka ba o babae? What's that?
The ghost tube says accident.
Accident?
Yeah.
Oh, the ghost tube says accident. So, na-accident.
Man.
Man. So, oh my gosh. I'm asking if you are a boy or a girl and now you said you're a man. So, lalaki ka pala. Kung lalaki ka, pwede mo bang sabihin anong pangalan mo? Ikaw ba ang kasama namin at kausap sa mga oras na ito?
17.
17, yes. You're quite a man. 17 is not too young and it's not too old. So, you're a man. But if you are a man, can you please tell us your name?
It's coming.
It's coming. It's coming. You're coming towards us. If you're coming towards us, make those equipments beep. Make those light up. Rove is there. You can touch Rove. And it's okay.
Oh, 벌레.
Interesting. What the fuck?
벌레.
Are you hearing? Oh my gosh. Are you getting this?
Dilim nito, walang nakukuha.
Is that you? Did you touch Rove or is it just an insect? Is that you? Or it's just an insect? I'm gonna move back. Is that you? Did you touch Rove? Ikaw ba humawak kay Rove? Yes or no?
This is it.
This is it? Yan na yung ginawa mo? Kung ikaw ang humawak kay Rove, yes or no? Say yes or no. Kung ikaw ang humawak kay Rove, if you touch him, you say yes. If not, you say no. That's simple.
Hold on.
Hold on? Bakit? Bakit? Bakit hold on?
May natanaw mo yun.
Bakit may tol sa Aldi?
Alin? Alin?
Wait a minute. Oh, I heard something.
Wanna see?
Yeah, we wanna see you. Yes, we wanna see you.
Wanna help?
Oh,
Oh.
Kanina.
Happy? Don't be scared. Dalawa?
Dalawa. Don't be scared.
don't be scared. Dalawa. Why? You think we're scared of you? We want you to come to us. Lumapit ka na. I told you to come to us and you made the REM pad beat. Pinailaw mo yung REM pad. Pwede mo bang ulitin yun? Tumabi ka lang sa tabi ni Rove. Yun lang ang gusto namin gawin mo. Ito, may nakikita kang lalaki dito. Nakatakip ang mata. Pwede mo ba siyang tabihan ulit?
Too much.
Too much. Sumusobra na ba ako sa pakikisuyo ko? Gusto ko lang naman lumapit ka.
You want too much.
I'm not asking too much. Gusto namin na malaman kung ikaw talaga yan. Yun lang naman ang gusto namin. Nakipagkaibigan kami sa'yo. In fact, si Saldi, gusto ka rin maging kaibigan.
Yes.
Oh,
Which one
is that you?
is it?
No, that's coming from a tree. It's not you. I know.
Dito mapapansin ninyo na hindi na mapakali si Rove sa kanyang kinauupuan.
I feel something.
You're feeling something. You're feeling something. If it's you touching Rove, can you please make it stop? Can you please stop that? Pwede mo matigil?
Is it spider? Something.
Magic.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, it's you. Okay, can you make it stop?
25.
25. What do you mean by 25? Kung ikaw humahawak kay Rove, can you make it stop? Please make it stop. We are hearing noises from everywhere. Can you say bye-bye to Rove? Pwede mo bang sabihin kay Rove, paalam? Or pwede mo bang sabihin sa kanya, leave? Can you say leave? Can you say go? Can you say that? If you want us to leave, then just say leave. Then just say
No.
Oh, you don't want us to leave, then what can we do for you? Can we help you with something? Maaari ka pa naming tulungan.
On your back.
On whose back? On my back? On Zaldi's back? Are you talking about your Rove's back? Because
Come here.
yes, we're right in front of you. Where do you want us to go? You tell us where to go.
Inside.
Inside of what? Where do you want us to go? Inside of what? Oh, from what I heard, you're just outside.
Fuck.
Is it? Fuck? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I heard something.
Sa mga oras na ito ay hindi na nagiging maganda ang pakiramdam ni Rove, kung kaya't itinigil na namin ang Estes method.
Guys, I don't feel good.
Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, Grove, okay, stop.
Oh, I don't feel good.
Okay?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
No.
Something
feeling
bit
something?
you?
Something
Or
bit
touch
you?
you or
like
what?
something,
Crawling?
You know what's
Yeah.
funny? I kept on telling it to touch you, and then you said, "What's this?"
You said touch me? When?
No, I said, "Can you please touch Rove?" And then you're like, "What's this?"
Oh, I feel like something spider or
Like a
something.
spider or whatever.
Crawling.
Deceased.
Patay.
Deceased means dead.
Dead?
Yeah. And also, it said accident.
Can
Accident.
I wanna say
Oh,
the
the
name, if it's L or hell.
it's a hell.
It's
I
hell.
thought it's L.
And also the REM pod, it beat Rove while we were asking questions.
How many times?
Once.
Just once.
Yeah. But, and then we are hearing noises.
Nothing.
Kuma noticed something here.
근데 경찰 오!
No, no, it's you.
It's me?
It's you, yeah.
근데 경찰 오고 나서 리그 말하는 순간 느꼈습니다.
It's me? Is it me? Oh, it's me? Is it me?
Yeah, I think it's you.
Where is pointed?
It's over there.
This
So
way.
it's like a V shape.
Okay, it's me, it's me. You know, what he's saying, it was not, it doesn't speak English, right?
Yeah.
But he saw something white
Yeah.
over there.
That's what he's pointing at. After you tell Kuman this, he's telling me he's pointing there.
Uh-huh.
Right after I heard something like walking.
형 저쪽 막
That's why I
가리켰어요?
kept on.
왜냐면은
I pointed to him.
가서 보여드릴게요. 가서
아 이거 카메라 들고 가세요.
네.
어디요? 가면서 설명해주세요. 불 켜고.
어떻게 만나면은 흰색 총체가 또렷하게 보였거든요.
네.
정확히 이 자리였어요.
네.
여기서
네.
선배님이 에스티스 하는 와중에 나이스. 너무 행복했어요. 여기서 지나오셨어요.
Sorry, that's not me.
Ay, si ano, Gumon.
Hindi, malapitan yan. Pagkatapos ng S-test method at sa naranasan ni Rogue dito, lahat kami ay nagulat nang biglang tumunog ang dead bell.
Very short distance. Did you hear that?
형 제 쪽으로 와보시죠.
Twice.
Thrice.
오. 형 와보세요. 지나가세요.
Did you move, Kuman?
No.
Oh, I told him to come here. It's not really. Yeah?
It rang in the REM pod. It rang.
No. Yeah, it works because Kumon moves,
Yeah.
it doesn't ring.
It doesn't ring.
Yeah. Okay, I wanna hear what he felt. So.
아까 전에 선배님이 에스티스 하는
Nagulat ko sa dead bell, Chong.
Magti-trigger lang to. Sabi mo sa kanya.
Ayan,
Ito. Ito.
just to be sure. Eh, no,
Ah.
nakit ko. Like, ilang beses tumunog.
3.
일로 이건 여기서
연기 같은데?
Tsaka yung REM pod tumunog eh.
Oo.
들렸어요?
그 순간 제가
Nagsabay, Chong.
Nagsabay sila.
And the EMF.
Oh!
Oh, look at that. It's not stopping.
Oh!
Oh. Okay. So you're coming to us. You are coming to us.
The bell, the bell.
Do you want to play with us? Please talk. We can hear you. If you want to play with us, can you please say yes? Can you say yes? We want to hear your voice, the child. Play. Play. You want to play? Can you say yes? We want to hear the child.
오! 애기 목소리.
Oh my
child.
gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm getting the chills right now. Oh, so that is your voice. That is your voice. Okay. Sorry if we disturbed you. We just want to be friends with you. Is that okay with you? Is that okay? Can you say okay? Okay. Now you wanna ask question?
No.
Okay, now last question that I have. Do you want to be with your mom once again? Do you want to see your mom? It's responding through the EMF. Do you want to see your mom? If you want to see your mom,
Tagalog yun ah.
wait, I could not understand that. If you don't want to answer, okay, maybe it's time for you to. We just leave you alone. We just leave you alone, and we want to say thank you to you. Can you say bye bye to us, so we know, so that we know we are your friends, that we're friends. Can you say bye bye?
I'm holding it.
EMF.
Okay, last chance. Last chance to say something. I'll give you 10 seconds to say anything that you want to tell us. Last chance in 10, 9, 8, go, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
I'll go.
2, and oh, it's really working.
Sabay-sabay.
Okay, and 1. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.